Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Mother's Day puzzle is probably one of the most thoughtful and engaging gifts you can give this year, offering a unique way to spend quality time together while creating a beautiful keepsake. Imagine the joy on your mom's face as she unwraps a personalized puzzle, a gift that keeps on giving long after the day is done, providing hours of entertainment and a sense of accomplishment with every completed piece. This isn't just a game, it's an experience designed to strengthen bonds and create lasting memories, making it a truly special way to celebrate the incredible woman in your life. Number 5. VELENTI Mom Engraved Acrylic Puzzle Piece Gift. Your mom deserves to feel special and appreciated. This unique puzzle piece gift comes with kind words to honor her every day. Stop wondering what to get her. Our heartwarming gifts make the perfect present to spoil your mom, mother-in-law, or a new mom. This gift features an eye-catching puzzle piece design with beautiful lettering. It's sure to become a focal point on her desk or bookshelf. These adorable gifts can serve as birthday, Thanksgiving, retirement, Christmas, or Mother's Day presents. Spoil her on any festive or regular day. Unlike other gifts, our engraved acrylic puzzle pieces are made of premium, scratch-resistant materials. They are built to last and won't easily bend or break. What we like? This is a beautifully engraved acrylic block with a unique puzzle piece design. It's made from premium quality, scratch-resistant material. If you're looking for a decorative piece that expresses love and appreciation, this is a great choice for a mom who enjoys elegant home accents. What people say. The words look like they are engraved. Good quality product. It is a hard, thick acrylic piece, very clear looking, and the words look to be engraved a bit. All the words and flowers are clear inside the puzzle piece, and the puzzle piece itself is see-through and not hazy at all. It's also thick enough that it sits up well. Number 4. Personalized Mom's Recipe Cutting Board. Show your mom how much you appreciate her with this custom cutting board. It's designed with a meaningful message, making it a truly heartfelt gift. This beautiful board features an engraved recipe and a charming heart-shaped cutout. It's both a functional kitchen tool and a keepsake she'll adore. Crafted from quality wood, it's built for daily use, perfect for chopping or serving. The engraved poem also makes it a lovely display piece. This decorative and practical kitchen tool is ideal for any mom who loves to cook. It's a touching addition to her kitchen collection. Whether for Mother's Day, a birthday, or any occasion, this is a thoughtful and unique gift she will treasure forever. What we like? This is a durable wooden cutting board personalized with a mother's recipe and a charming heart cutout. It's perfect for moms who love to cook and appreciate functional kitchenware with a sentimental touch. If you want to give a gift that is both practical for the kitchen and a cherished keepsake, this is the one. What people say. Solid cutting board, engraving, and all-around quality was good. Came exactly as described and was well worth the money for the gratitude. My board came as described and it was shipped really fast too. I love the engraved letters on it. I think they done an awesome work with them. This is a cute addition to any mom's kitchen. The look of this cutting board is great and it went over very well with my mother. Otherwise, it's wonderful and looks great leaned up against the wall on the counter in my mother's kitchen right now. Number 3. Elena Essex Woodland Magic 1000 Piece Puzzle. Discover the enchanting Woodland Magic Puzzle from Elena Essex. This 1000-piece jigsaw is perfect for adults seeking a beautiful and engaging challenge. As a women-led small business, Elena Essex supports independent artists. Each puzzle is a unique piece of art designed for your enjoyment and sharing. Crafted with premium quality, non-toxic, and recycled materials, this puzzle is built to last. We prioritize your safety and the environment. Experience the satisfaction of precision-cut pieces that ensure a snug and secure fit. You'll love how easily each piece connects. Enjoy a smooth, glare-free experience with our preferred matte finish. We also take care to minimize puzzle dust for a cleaner build. To help you complete the masterpiece, an A3-sized color poster is included. It's your guide to bringing the woodland scene to life. Once completed, this stunning puzzle measures 27.5 by 19.7 inches. It's a rewarding display piece for anyone aged 14 and up. What we like? This is a 1000-piece jigsaw puzzle featuring a beautiful woodland magic theme. It's made from premium, recycled materials with a matte finish to prevent glare and has precision-cut pieces for a snug fit. If you're looking for a challenging and visually appealing puzzle for an adult who enjoys nature and detailed artwork, this is an excellent option. What people say. The puzzle pieces are thick and sturdy, making them easy to handle and fit together. The colors are vibrant and the image is clear, which makes for a beautiful finished puzzle. It was a fun and engaging activity for the whole family to complete together. Number 2. Personal Prints EMOSTAR and Children Personalized Heart Puzzle Wall Art. Introducing a unique wall art piece that celebrates family. EMOSTAR is at the center, with your children's names artfully integrated as puzzle pieces. This beautiful print features the heartwarming phrase, EMOSTAR is the piece that holds us together. You can even include dad and beloved pets. Make any occasion unforgettable with this sentimental gift for mom. It's the perfect way to show her how much she's loved. This original design is proudly handcrafted in the USA by talented artists. We focus on intricate details to create a truly special custom gift. Crafted with sustainable materials and UV fade-resistant inks, this art is built to last. It comes ready to hang and enjoy. This stunning piece serves as a daily reminder of the love of her family. It's a keepsake she'll cherish for years to come. What we like. This is a unique wall art piece designed as a heart puzzle, customizable with up to 8 children's names. It's handcrafted in the USA with high-quality, fade-resistant inks. If you want to give a deeply personal and sentimental gift that celebrates family bonds and can be displayed as a beautiful reminder of love, this is an ideal choice. What people say. The puzzle is a great way to spend time with family. The pieces are well made and fit together perfectly. The finished puzzle is beautiful and makes a great decoration. Number 1. EMOSTAR Sterling Silver Celtic Knot Charm Bracelet Beads. Discover the intricate beauty of our Celtic knot charm. It's a timeless symbol of connection and eternity, perfect for any bracelet. Add a pop of passion with our Lipstick Red Lips charm. This playful design is sure to make a statement and express your bold side. Say, I love you, in a special way with this charming bead. It's a heartfelt gift that conveys deep affection and love. Show your support with our Autism Awareness charm. This piece is designed to spread understanding and acceptance for a cause close to many hearts. Adorn your bracelet with the delicate magnolia and lucky clover heart beads. These sterling silver charms add a touch of natural elegance and good fortune. Crafted from genuine sterling silver, these beads are perfect for any European-style bracelet. They make a wonderful gift for family this Christmas or any occasion. What we like. These are sterling silver beads designed to fit European-style bracelets, featuring various charms like Celtic knots and hearts. They offer a way to personalize jewelry with meaningful symbols. If you are looking for a gift that allows for personal expression and can be added to an existing charm bracelet collection, these beads are a wonderful option. What people say. The vibrant colors of the puzzle pieces are eye-catching and meaningful, symbolizing autism awareness beautifully. The heart-shaped design adds a loving touch, and the "for love" engraving feels so personal. The quality is outstanding, the materials feel durable, and the stones on the loop add just the right amount of sparkle. I've had this charm for 2 months now, and it hasn't tarnished at all, which speaks to its excellent craftsmanship. Fits most popular name brand bracelets and necklaces. Sterling silver, stones stay in. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.